Hi, and welcome to this tutorial in which I'll walk you through how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. We'll also cover how to customize your invoice and to track your invoice status to streamline your billing process. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily create invoices, tailor them to your business, and send them to customers, all while keeping track of payment status. Let's start by creating an invoice. To do this, click on New at the top of your dashboard and then select Invoice. QuickBooks will automatically fill in your company info, but here you can make changes if needed. If you need to update your contact details or logo, click Edit Company. Now, let's add your customer. If they're already in your system, just select their name, and QuickBooks will autofill their details. If you're invoicing a new customer, click Add New and input their information. Next, let's customize what your customer will see. Click on Manage or Customization, and here you can toggle on or off different fields like terms, due dates, or item details. To add items you're charging for, click Add Product or Service. You can select from preset items or click Add New to create something unique to your business. Add as many products and services as you want. QuickBooks also lets you offer online payment options. To enable these, click on Payment Options and toggle the methods you'd like to offer. Keep in mind that you'll need QuickBooks payments to process online payments. You can also add a shipping fee or discount. Simply toggle on those options and enter the amounts as needed. QuickBooks will automatically calculate sales tax if you've set up tax rates, but you can manually adjust this if needed. You can also add notes or attach documents here. To make your invoice match your brand, go to Design. Here you can adjust colors and fonts to align with your company's look. If you need to send invoices regularly, set up a recurring invoice here. You can also enable automatic payment reminders for your customers, so they're notified when payments are due. Before sending, you can preview how your invoice will look by clicking the PDF view or Payer view. This helps you make sure everything appears as you intend. When you're happy with the invoice, click Send Invoice. You'll have the option to email it directly to your customer, or you can download and print it if preferred. To track the status of your invoice, go to Sales and select Invoices. You can easily see whether your invoice is paid, unpaid, or overdue. Here, you can also duplicate, void, or delete invoices if necessary. To review any audit history or see detailed transaction logs, just click Edit and go to Actions. And that's it. You're now ready to create, customize, and manage invoices in QuickBooks Online with ease. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.